Hello, this is Zach, the Mad Scientist, and welcome to part 3. And today on the show, we've got a very exciting bird experience in Heron Island. So let's fly into it. There are lots of different types of birds in Heron Island, from egrets to noddies to seagulls to muttonbirds to even a sea eagle to white eyes to buff-banded rails to silver eyes to golden plovers to crested terns and more.
So over here in this picture here, and these are called noddies. It's breeding season for birds December to January. They like to lay their eggs and then they hatch like to these birds and nestlers. And sometimes the mothers can get very protected up like that nest over there. And they can live up to like about 7 years. And how they make their nests is that they have to get leaves and they have to make sure it's enough to hang on, and then to glue it in place they have to use their poo.
Noddies eat insects, seeds and small fish. Noddy chicks can die if they fall out of their nest and get eaten by seagulls. They can also die because of the besonia tree. Besonia trees don't appear particularly harmful, but they drop sticky birds all over the ground. If a noddy chick falls out of the tree or an adult noddy lands on the ground, the bird will get covered in sticky birds all over its feathers. If it can't fly, it will eventually starve and die. In turn, the dead bird becomes fertilizer for the besonia tree.
Hi, I'm Abby. And I'm Kira. This is Flippy and Flappy. Flippy's the big one, and Flappy's his little sister. We rescued Flippy from when he fell out of his nest. Then we took him all around the island, but we couldn't find a good spot, so we had to take him to the breakfast bar, and we put him in this nest.
Hi, I'm Sophie, and this is Catherine, and these are birds called noddies, and they are babies, and they are called Ocean, Coral, and Bubble. There are other birds around that dig holes, and their names are muttonbirds.
Another bird on Heron Island is the short-tailed shearwater, also known as the muttonbirds. Muttonbirds are nocturnal animals. That means they sleep in the day and active at night. Muttonbirds dig burrows up to 1 meter long. They feed on small fish and squid. Sometimes their chicks eat so much they can get stuck out of their burrows. At night, muttonbirds sound like babies crying. Did you know that adult muttonbirds can leave their chicks alone in the burrow for up to 1 week? The parents fly up to 1,500 kilometres in search of food. Sadly, in Tasmania, Australia, muttonbird chicks are hunted for food.
Did you know that seagulls aren't related to Heron Island? They just follow the boats to Heron Island.
Here's a bridal tern and its chick. This buff-banded rail, or BBR as I like to call it, is a cute little bird. They eat crabs, insects, seeds and even frogs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell icon if you want to know when part 4 of Heron Island arrives. Bye for now.